In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to join the Ticketmaster Waiting Room. If you're trying to buy tickets for a popular event, it's important to be prepared before the sale starts. The Ticketmaster Waiting Room is designed to help organize traffic before tickets go on sale, and knowing how it works can make the process much smoother. The first thing you should do is go to Ticketmaster well in advance. Don't wait until the last minute. Once you're there, sign into your Ticketmaster account early so you're not dealing with login issues when the sale is about to begin. It's also a good idea to check that your payment information is current and ready to use. That small detail can save you valuable time later if tickets become available and you need to check out quickly. After that, find the event you want to attend and open the event page before the sale begins. This is where you'll want to stay as the start time gets closer. On the event page, look for details about the on-sale time and whether the waiting room will be available. This information helps you know exactly when to be ready. As the sale approaches, the waiting room will usually open several minutes before the official start time. When you see the option to join, go ahead and click the button to enter. Once you're in, stay on that page. This part is very important. Do not refresh your browser and avoid leaving the page since that can interrupt the process. When the sale officially begins, everyone who is already in the waiting room is automatically moved into the queue. At that point, Ticketmaster assigns your queue position. From there, you'll be able to watch your progress as the line moves forward. This is normal, so be patient and keep an eye on the page while you wait. A helpful tip here is to make sure you're using a stable internet connection and that your browser is working properly before the sale starts. Even though the waiting room handles the transition into the queue automatically, being prepared on your end helps reduce stress and avoids unnecessary issues. So to recap, sign in early, make sure your account and payment details are ready, open the event page ahead of time, join the waiting room as soon as it becomes available, and then stay on the page without refreshing. Once the sale starts, you'll be placed into the queue automatically and can monitor your progress from there. That's how to join the Ticketmaster waiting room and give yourself